Welcome back to 汉字说故事 The story of Chinese character. Take a look at this picture. Can you guess what Chinese character we are learning today? That's right. Today's character is 门, which means door or gate. Imagine a door with hinges that lets it swing open and shut freely. Just like in real life, a 门 separates a room from outside world, but still allow air to flow through. Right now, we write 门like this. Super useful, right? Whether it's scorching heat of summer or the freezing cold of winter, having a door is always a good idea. A door needs a 门框. To stand tall and support itself. But what if we want to lock the door? Well, in ancient times, people used a wooden bar to secure it. And the bar became the character 栓. We pronounce 栓. And we always say 门栓 to mean door, bolt, or latch. So next time you see a door, remember, it's more than just a door. It's a clever piece of design with long history. 门 which means door. And a door needs a strong 门框, which is door frame. In ancient time, people used a wooden bar to secure it. And this word we pronounce 栓. And we always say 门栓. Means door bolt or latch.